Latung pega tumen sa pega lo tokte. Kita kaya bang utang nyetin dhane tangi tuke.
In view of statement by the learned standing council that the rules for conducting election to the council will be framed within 12 months. The PIL petition is disposed of by directing the council to frame the rules for conducting the election in exercise of its power under paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 of the 6th schedule within a period of 6 months from the date of this order. The respondent in the PIL are agreeing to such proposal of the KAAC and accordingly do not oppose the direction. Oppose the law, not His Excellency the Governor of Assam Governor wana na Jagoido. Haikoro order to dara kita melu kumrata kana pacho bailante, Governor na koide, APHL sidung ke thana pacho bailan pu. Bangsi APHL sidung ke thana pacho bailan pulo tangte, Haikoro order dak sido ho. Mobile cewana dak na tuli no ho. Dak sido. Lasi ile tu APHLC pe na ken mangel halo 1969 na ningkan kapachiro ikipika handbrake long letik ile tu kache song tonte hini abang ke 6 schedule of the Constitution of India paragraph 20 teng lakan paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 teng ter angtan yang terang kite ke ciatu long le pota cancel setik lakan ke wotale sana men praktik ini tu kache song tonte lahela tu mangel ini lan han masih nilang teng chong kadong